because new week, new trade. Let's dive into it. I took a minus, I don't know how much is this? It's like 0.25 R, so that's like minus, yeah, almost minus half R. There's a lot of range bound price action. As you can see, we got this wick. We just got this wick again. I got in here at the 15-minute close and the 1 hour close, expecting that we would tap this, you know, maybe there's this for value gap right here. Maybe, you know, go there and then go higher. This 1 hour doesn't look like the best, so to say, but I would consider that we are inside this gap. We've switched 15 to bullish order flow, so to me that made a lot of sense. And then I was expecting, you know, I was not panicking because I need to let the 1 hour power of free play, so I would need to be patient. And as soon as I get, so now this is the 5-minute order block. As soon as I get this 5-minute order block, I was like, okay, now I don't want to see a close below here, right? Got the close below there. So 5-minute order flow is bullish. It looks very, very range bound price action so far. And I just made the call to exit here right before the drop and right before it took me out. So that's the trade for Monday. So now all I gotta do is journal this. And then I'm gonna go to the gym. Well, turns out I lied. Yesterday I didn't went to the gym. Decided to, instead of resting on Wednesday, just do Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday all at once, and just take yesterday off as well. I entered on a trade today. I wasn't supposed to even enter on this. That's why I exit early. And yeah, I was basically just waiting for a 5-minute shift. This is essentially what I was trying to catch. This is just range bound if you look at it. So I just decided, you know what, I entered here, I was like, okay, bit of impulsive, so I'm gonna wait. It was just screaming at me that, you know what, you don't even have a 5-minute shift. You don't even, like, the 1 hour is bearish. The 15-minute looks very bearish as well. What are you expecting? To call the low and catch the reversal? Well, yes, that's what I was expecting. We were also inside a 5-minute order block. And yeah, I just decided to just exit early on that. And yeah, that's it. I'm gonna get ready, go to the gym, and I'll see you in a bit. This time I'm not lying. All right, I admit I lied again. I said I was done, but then this setup was just on my face. I had a good place to put my stop and everything the line. So yeah, I just caught it. So I'm just gonna break it down quickly again. I ended up shorting this, like this 5-minute close. This formed an order block. This respected that order block. That respected, there was this massive 1 minute shift order flow to bearish at here. So I was like, I'm gonna enter here. I'm gonna enter with 5 contracts because I got 187 and I already lost like 70. So that brings me to my full risk for the day, which is 250. Took that, took the win. And yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I was kind of worrying. I had to ground myself because I was like, are you really worried about a minus 1 R when you got 6 50K funded accounts ready to go and you're worried about minus 1 R? I mean, that's just not, it's just not a good way of thinking. So I was like, yeah, just let it play out. Why are you worried about it? And yeah, I ended up just letting play it out. Even if it was a stop, I think it was good. Everything was aligning because I kept reiterating what could go wrong. And I said, okay, worst case scenario, we reverse, right? But if we reverse, then I caught the end of the move. So nothing I can really do. I'm really happy with this trade. And yeah, now I'm not lying. I'm gonna see you at the gym. All right, it's Wednesday. Yesterday I forgot today was FOMC, and I was just coming into the church and I just checked the news and I was like, oh, we actually have FOMC today. So I'm not gonna trade. Yo, it's, what day is it? It's Thursday, right? Didn't trade yesterday, FOMC. Ended up taking a loss today. I mean, yeah, it's not really a good one, to be honest. Kind of jumped in early. Like, what I wanted to see was there, but not quite there, and the not quite there bit would have saved me the loss. So this is the trade essentially. This is a 5-minute fair value gap. We open New York, right, and then we just dump down. I want to see like if I'm longing, because obviously I was bullish biased on the 4-hour. We closed this gap right here, which we opened, so we might get a reversal here. I've done this before. This 1 hour doesn't look great. This 15 at the time, like it looked like we were going to reverse. I was mindful of the fair value gap right here. So I was very mindful of that. And then like, this is exactly what I wanted to see. I wanted to see this fair value gap get tapped and then get respected, and then us closing above, making this the order block. The thing is, I wanted to see the close above here on the 1 minute. I wanted to see the close above there, and only then I would enter. The next thing is if I'm just looking at order flow, right? If I'm just looking at this, it's 1 hour, it's bearish, right? It's 15, it's also bearish. It's the 5-minute, it's internally bullish, but bearish. So I guess I could have taken this close right here as a bearish one, right? And I kind of wanted to bet on this, but yeah, since I've already lost 250, I'm not really looking to lose more. Put my stop here at the 15-minute fair value gap, and then put my TP down here for like a 2R. Right? And I still don't know, because we could just, you know, tap this and then reverse, and this could all just be a range. I still don't know. But this just seemed to be the better trade to take today. Again, I still don't know if it's gonna hit or not. It just looks like it's gonna hit now, but it could easily reverse. Bit of hindsight. But yeah, I mean, I just sort of stuck with the order flows of the 1 hour, 15, 5, and 1 minute. Just wait for those to align. Just wait for the 1 minute to align again, and then be done and get a really good win. You're all right. It's Friday. Didn't take any trade today. My target was hit in like the first half an hour of the session. Didn't get an entry. It was NFP. Then we had PMI. But that's the month. Again, trying to be transparent, showing you the results as best as I can. Sometimes I fail because I forget, but hey, it is what it is.
A de... Já me lembrei. A de dia 22 tinha daily fair value gap em baixo.
Just got off the mentorship call. Very good call. I mean, I got a lot of, like, all of my questions are now gone, understood. So now for August, which is like next week, I'm just gonna implement this stuff. Like, I was taking reversals on the 1 minute. I was not even waiting for the 5 minute. I got my question out of the way, which is, even if the daily is bullish, can I take advantage of like 1 hour order flow, 15-minute order flow, and so on? And the answer was yes. I just gotta be very, very selective. Like, I was doing this, right? But then I noticed like my mentor was not doing the same, or like he was, but not quite the same thing. And I was like, you know what, maybe I'm doing something wrong. Another very important thing is, if I'm trying to catch a reversal, even if it's the 5-minute market shift, I need to wait. I need to have an even larger stop, because the reversals get very messy and most of the times are not clean. That's it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Ending it here. I'm gonna enjoy the rest of my day and start editing this video, because I lied yesterday. I didn't start editing.